Hi, in front of me is LG K22 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next, adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!